In this simple video, I'm going to show you how to create an invoice in PayPal. So firstly, open your PayPal account and click on this icon, create an invoice. Now on the right, you can see your invoice preview. Firstly, here select your customer's email. Now you want to add the item name, create an item, select the quantity and price per unit, and also select the currency and description, and next click on add. You can add many options such as payment terms, notes and attachments, and also upload files. Now you want to update your business info, so click on more actions, edit business info, type here your business name. Also you can add first name, last name, website, tax ID, phone number, email, address, etc. And next click on save. Also you can add a logo here. If you want to save this invoice, click on this option. You can also see the mobile preview, it will look like this, and also the email preview, it will look like this. And if you want to send this invoice from the PayPal, just click on send, and this person or email address will receive this invoice and he can pay it. So this was how to create an invoice on PayPal. I hope you find it helpful. See you next time.